you're experiencing login failure 2026 in Red Dead Redemption 2, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back into the game quickly. Step 1. Check server status. Visit the official Rockstar Games website or social media pages to check if there are any ongoing server issues. If the servers are down, you may need to wait until they are back online. Step 2. Restart your game. Close Red Dead Redemption 2 completely and restart it. Sometimes, a simple restart can resolve temporary glitches or connection issues. Step 3. Verify your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by testing your connection on other devices or running a speed test. If your connection is weak, try resetting your router. Step 4. Update the game. Make sure that Red Dead Redemption 2 is updated to the latest version. Check for updates on your gaming platform and install any available patches or updates. Step 5. Relog into your account. Log out of your Rockstar Games Social Club account and then log back in. This can refresh your session and may resolve any authentication issues causing the login failure. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the login failure issue and enjoy your time in Red Dead Redemption 2. If the problem persists, consider reaching out to Rockstar support for further assistance.